The Lord be with you. Good everyone. Today is Sunday, November 9, and our gospel will be coming from St. John chapter 2, verses 13 to 22. Today we are also celebrating the feast of the dedication of the Lateran Basilica. If you are wondering why we are celebrating this on a Sunday, we have to recognize the importance of St. John Lateran Basilica in Rome as the main church of our Catholic Church. That is the mother church of all the churches in the world. Firstly, because this church is the cathedral of the Bishop of Rome. And who is the Bishop of Rome? Our Pope. And our Pope is the head of our universal church. Remember the time when Jesus Christ was so angry because people made the temple as a marketplace. He turned away all those people selling everything there. It was full of hypocrisy, corruption. We thought that people should be closer to God in the temple. On the contrary, they made it even more difficult for people to come to the Lord. We belong to the people of God, to the church. In fact, we call ourselves the church because the church is not just the building, but we are the church. However, the question is, are we making a way for people to come closer to God? Or we are making it difficult for others to see God? Instead of becoming bridges, we are creating walls that separates people from God. That is a great challenge for all of us priests, that we should be bridges that will bring people closer to the church, closer to Jesus. But sometimes that is not what is happening. Let us be instruments and images of God for others, so that everyone who will see and meet us will truly confess that God is real, that God is in us, because they see the face of God in us. Is it possible? Yes. It is difficult? Yes. But no matter how difficult, remember, we are the church, and we are supposedly the faces of God in our world today.